Hey smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the best purchasing decisions without losing your mind or your wallet. Today, we're comparing two hot contenders in the drone world: the Tmize 4K drone and the TiziToy brushless motor drone. Buckle up because this is going to be a wild ride. First up, let's talk about the cameras. The Tmize 4K drone boasts a 4K UHD camera with a 90 degrees adjustable angle and a 110 degrees FOV lens. Reviewers love its impressive video quality. Meanwhile, the TiziToy brushless motor drone features a 4K FPV camera with a 120 degrees manually adjustable lens and a wide-angle view. It's praised for its superior range and stunning imagery. If you're into capturing every single detail from the sky, both drones have you covered. But TiziToy gives you a bit more range to play with. Next category: stability and motor. The Tmize drone is equipped with brushless motor arms and 4 wind resistance levels, making it stable and speedy. It's highly recommended for its ease of use and stability, even in windy conditions. On the other hand, TiziToy also sports brushless motors, but adds altitude hold and optical flow positioning, offering more advanced stability features. Reviewers highlight its smooth flight and reliable performance. Alright, battery life and accessories. The Tmize drone comes with a foldable design and a carrying case, which reviewers appreciate for its portability. However, it only includes one battery, which some users found limiting. TiziToy, on the other hand, includes two 1,600 mAh batteries, a carrying case, and spare fan blades, offering up to 40 minutes of flight time. Reviewers love the extended flying time and extra accessories, making it a better choice for longer sessions. Now, let's dive into special features. The Tmize drone comes with one-touch takeoff, altitude hold, headless mode, gravity control, and 3D flips. Reviewers find it fun and easy to fly. Meanwhile, TiziToy ups the ante with high-speed rotation, circle fly, gesture control, and 360 degrees obstacle avoidance indoors. It's packed with features that users find both entertaining and practical. Finally, customer service. Tmize offers dedicated customer support for all your drone-related questions, which reviewers appreciate for its reliability. TiziToy provides detailed video tutorials and an electronic fence function to keep your drone in check. While some users have had issues with TiziToy's customer support, the additional features like the electronic fence are highly valued. Both drones have received a mix of reviews. The Tmize 4K drone is praised for its ease of use, durability, and portability, though some users have faced issues with battery replacements and customer service. On the other hand, the TiziToy brushless motor drone is commended for its advanced features, impressive camera quality, and extended flight time, but some users have found its customer support lacking. And there you have it, folks. The TiziToy brushless motor drone takes the crown with its advanced features and impressive camera. But the Tmize 4K drone is still a fantastic choice, especially if you're on a budget. Both drones are priced at just $99, so you won't break the bank either way. Thanks for watching. Buy smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. You can find the product links in the description below. Fly high and shop smart.